Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and remember, super duper quick. So today I'm going to make a giant fluffy slime. Well, it's not going to be too giant. I'll make another giant one, but it's probably going to be about that big. Pretty good guys. So all I need is a container. I've got a big container. Something to mix with. This I purchased from a store. It's not going to be big enough to mix with. Yeah, it's just not. But okay, it would do. Sorry guys, so yeah, let's get started because I need to be really quick. Remember, time limit. First I need is glue. I've got 2 bottles. I'll probably just use that like 1 centimeter of that. Oh my gosh, I'm so clumsy today. Shaving foam. I got a new one. Not Gillette. Cheaper or boots. Tiny baby. Paint is optional. Glue is also optional. And eye contact solution. Let's get started. Now I want this to be pretty light blue so I can use glitter. Now I'm not sure if I mentioned this in my other video, I did actually go slime shopping. So yeah, let's get started. So first, you just want to pour your glue. I'll be back. I'll be back when the glue's finished. Okay guys, this has got really messy. Now I've only just poured that much in because I probably won't even have enough shaving foam, and I do want this to be super duper fluffy. In fact, there you go. I'm limitless. There's no limit to my... Okay, that's actually done. Guys, I'm done. I'm done with this glue. No, I'm not. Yeah. I want to add quite a lot, but I will have to get some more shaving foam, guys. I'm sorry. I just will. So, now you can mix. This is optional. I'm just doing it for the sake of mixing. Next, shaving foam. I'll be back. I've poured a lot in, guys. I don't think I've really needed that much. Not got a lot left, guys. I'll definitely have to. I think I can use this 1 or 2 times. Oh my gosh. So now you just want to mix. Now too much shaving foam will make your slime streaky. I need something better to mix with, guys. So I'll be back when I mixed it all. Okay, so I've mixed it all up. Now, I do recommend Gillette more, but because this is just totally de-inflated. Guys, it was a cheap knockoff. Never get cheap knockoffs. I'm sorry about the lighting. I mean, my light is on. Okay, so I don't want to de-inflate it anymore. So let's just get on to doing the paint. Oh my gosh, look how much this is de-inflated. I swear this is how much glue I put in. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Why can't you guys see today? Yeah, so I just checked my lighting is fully on. This is how much glue I put in. Legit low-key, I put this much glue in. Jeez, bruh. I don't know why I just done that. My time is running out. Right, not really, but still. Now, this doesn't need a lot of mixing. I'm just going crazy. Next, you just want to add your color. Now, I kind of don't want to add it and kind of do it at the same time. But, guys, help. Guys, I swear. I put too much in. No, okay guys, so you probably won't be able to even see the glitter now, but still. So actually guys, it wasn't that pigmented. I totally forgot that I got a less depigmented one. I should have got even more depigmented. My lighting is so bad. There's something wrong with my lighting. Usually it's not that bad, but today it is a huge mess. Next, you just want to add your glitter. Okay guys, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but my clothes, my floor is a complete mess, and my table. My clothes are so dirty. I'm wearing my super dry top. My floor, oh my gosh, I'm so gonna have to do a sweep after this. But for now, let's mix. Okay guys, so I'm sorry if I'm doing a lot of editing and pausing. Oh my gosh, there's so much deflated. I hate it. Oh well. I use so much glue, so no. Anyway, it's just that it's supposed to make it easier and it is, so I've just mixed it all in. This doesn't need a lot of mixing, but I'm just going crazy, and I think that is what actually deflated it all. I don't know. And actually I decided to use this. I'm not sure if I already told you guys. So now I'm just going to add my contact lens solution. Now this is the last step. Okay, so this is all I'm going to put. That's it, and I'll mix. I'll come back to you guys when I've mixed it. Okay guys, so I've been mixing it for a really long while, and as you can see it has deflated so much. This was probably the amount of glue I put in, and I put so much shaving foam in, it's technically empty. I'm not even joking guys, low key it is technically empty, and look how small this batch is. Fluffy slime, I think there's something to do with my shaving foam. So from now on guys, I tried to get Gillette, but I just thought that this would be cheaper. But it isn't obviously, so next time guys, I'll just, you know, get Gillette, and I had to put so much contact lens solution, and it's really sticky, not anymore because I'm needing it. I forgot to tell you that. So yeah, I took it out and I started kneading it. So it's all over my thing. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys when I've finished kneading it, I guess. Okay guys, so I can't call this a giant fluffy slime, and I can't call this slime fail because I'm a slime maker, not a tutorialist. I kind of regret the decision on not putting bicarbonate soda in, because I was actually, it's not that bad actually, it could have been a bit more bigger, and I think that shaving foam didn't work. So, and I'm having to add a lot of contact lens solution, which is costing me a lot of money. Don't think the shaving foam worked at all, it probably worked like 10%. So yeah guys, I'll just call this Moonlight slime, how about that? Yeah, Moonlight or Shine Moonlight slime. Comment down below what I should call it, and I think the majority of you guys called it Moonlight slime, and I also got people to do it here, so yeah, so I think just do some ASMR. How much time do I have left? Actually got a bit of time left, which is always good. Sorry about my hair. Always good to know. See, look, I've added so much, it's just ripping when I do it like that. When I say that, while it doesn't. Like, it just like rips. It gets annoying. Ugh, it's like going everywhere. Oh, I'm sorry. Now, I'm not sure if I should add slime to it. Maybe, because all the slime that I make on this channel, I might start a new channel, but all the slime that I make on this channel, I mix in 2 other slimes that I'm working on a new channel. So once that channel comes out, there'll be tons of videos of you guys to already watch, so you don't have to wait. So I actually mix all the slimes together, so I'm not sure if I should mix this one or leave it. Comment down below what I should do with it. Sorry guys, my table's a mess. It's usually a mess, but you guys can't see it in the camera because I move it out of the way. Oh no, not that. That's my glitter. That's some more slime. These are really useful, by the way. I would definitely get them if you're making giant slime. Pencils are amazing. I love you, pencils. So maybe I'll just wait till this video cuts off by itself. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. A lot of you guys don't see ASMR, so here are some free ASMR. Yep, this is free. Should have added lotion, but I thought it was going to be like a really fluffy mess. Obviously you need Gillette. And can't get big cans because I don't live in America. One more minute, or half a minute I think, I'm not too sure. The time doesn't work, that's amazing, I'm free, but I don't know how I said it, but I can't fix it. Okay guys, so I think, I'm not sure how much time I have left. Okay guys, this video is getting too long, so I'm gonna have to see you guys again later. Adios.